Are we ready for the cuteness? Are we? I sometimes fall in love with just by myself. Without that dialogue है गीत from जब भी met मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Maybe I am that narcissistic person. तो मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Hi, this is Jaini Gandhi. Please don't unfollow me after this. I am an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize for your day-to-day life. So for today's topic, I was contemplating whether I should do styling a red sari or whether I should do how do you style your simple saris. And I thought that red is a specific color. Let us start with how to style simple saris. I'm going to give you 3 simple hacks and ideas on how to style that simple sari that's lying in your wardrobe. So this Diwali, even if you're not sure ki kya pehne kya nahi, remove those old saris, and I'm giving you 3 tips and turns or 3 hacks and ideas jisse now will bring life and more fun to those old saris. Okay, let's begin. The first hack is never ever underestimate the power of simple saris. Never. Don't feel ki sari kitni simple hai, what can I do? Like in my case, this red sari is so simple. I'm adding a picture or a video here. This red sari has nothing. It's got like this silver checks pattern. It's a total plain sari and there's nothing else. So what I have done is I've done like a statement choker, I've done statement earrings. The choker and earrings are a set. I've done this video on 11 mistakes to avoid while getting dressed for festivities. I've added there that how your necklace and earrings have to be matching if you're wearing 2 statement pieces. So the whole idea is that just because a sari is simple doesn't mean you can't jazz it up. I in fact feel if there's a simple sari, there are tons of ways to jazz it up. You could wear a fancy blouse, like on this I could do a full sleeves work blouse, or I could do a different sort of a fluffy blouse and not wear this heavier necklace. So decide how you can jazz up that sari, but don't underestimate the power of a simple sari. Also, if you want to know more, then I have videos on how to use your regular tops with saris that also add a lot of glamour and drama to your regular saris. The next one is creating different drapes. Now, I'm not telling you learn those heavy duty how to create a dhoti sari or a sari like a dress. I'm telling you to learn 3 to 4 simple easy drapes which are easy for you. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube. I also have a tutorial, a step-by-step guide on how to wear your sari with a pant or how to wear your sari without a petticoat, with a belt. There are so many such options available. With this, what happens is that one sari that you have that you don't know what to do, even by changing the drape, you are able to give it a new life and add that new edge of style. And the third one is using different color combination. Now colors are something that people are most afraid of when it comes to saris also. Saris always have that blouse piece, people get that blouse piece done, and that's why the contrast or the color combination, whatever is already designed by the designer or the manufacturer from wherever you buy the piece. Now if you for 1 second decide not to play safe, bring out those color wheels. I have enough videos on Instagram and YouTube to teach you how to use a basic color wheel. Bring out that color wheel, put that color wheel on the sari and see what other colors can match. That gives life to your sari. The same sari when paired with different blouses will give different style to the sari and you're able to get more wears out of it. That was it. Easy, simple, short and sweet. I don't think I've ever done such a small video on YouTube ever, but I wanted to give you 3 easy hacks. So ना इस दिवाली अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि पता नहीं क्या करें, क्योंकि लास्ट दिवाली was तो let's accept very boring, मतलब हम हमारे family friends किसी को भी ज़्यादा मिल नहीं पाए थे. But this Diwali you guys will be able to meet your family and friends in slightly bigger groups than last year. I mean, all of us still be safe, but we will be able to meet everyone in slightly bigger groups. And if you want to dress up, then you don't think of just go out and buying new things. Just pick out the things that you have and see what is missing. Do you want to invest in a statement necklace? Do you want to invest in a fancy blouse? You can just invest in one of those and use your current sari stylishly. That was it. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Enjoy the festivities, eat your laddus. Until I see you next time. Bye bye.